kill YouTube. Oh my God, that's some good lighting. Too much sun. But yeah, we got a little bit of good weather out here today. So I got a mod that I want to do to my car today. I've been wanting to do it for so long, but it's been so hard to do it because they just finally got them in stock. Okay, so we gonna head up there and get it done. You know what I'm saying? I've been waiting on this to get this done for forever. I've been looking any old kind of way going up there. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get that salt and stuff off from this Michigan weather and stuff, you know. But look at it. Look at her. She's a beauty. Alright, y'all. You already know. This like an everyday thing. We gotta fill up at the Shell, man. 93 only. No 87. No 89. 93. Need that V power, man. Y'all got scats? Anything fast? V8 engine? Put 93 in there, please. Do not put 87 in there. Do not put 87. I know some of y'all out here like to be cheap. Don't be cheap. I'm trying to tell you, it'd be the best thing for y'all. 93. 93. Remember that V power. 93 Shell. And I only put Shell only in my car. Well, I can't say that. I try to only put Shell in here. Because if it's, I need gas and I just got to stop somewhere, I just got to stop. You know what I'm saying? I can't run out of gas and have to push this big scat. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, 93. Remember that, y'all. 93. Shell only. Look how dirty it is inside of here when you taking your bumper off. He said we got to get in there and clean that. Alright, y'all see this making progress. Alright, y'all, look, we got one in. While they fixing this one, we got one in. Wait till y'all see when it's finished. We got one in. Them bitches ugly. Hell no. You know, Chevy guys are haters, man.
Always.
That's heat.
Where's your phone? Hold on there. So for the two colors?
That's the two colors.
So they're both selected. Put any color you want. Go here, unlink one of them, and then it's only going to control that side. And you got it looking over here.
That's heat.
Two-tone, looking like 12 right now.
Hey, it got me looking like Cam Police. Feels good. Feels good. Fresh headlights. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to show y'all one more time how they look. Got the bumper on now. About to change them. Oh, it's not working.
Which one? Did you really?
Oh, that's why. Bloopers. Yeah, that's cold. Look.
And they're like, oh, set.
Yeah, he trying to get me arrested.
I know.
The fact that they're all
Alright, cool. Alright, y'all, we got the wash, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get a, man, I need a wash, I need a cut, I need it all. It's like, no, but I do need a cut. But hey, yeah, we at the wash, man. Y'all know what time it is. Only go to touchless. Only. Well, I try to only go to touchless. I gotta stop saying that. I try to only go to touchless. But we at the touchless wash, our favorite wash. You know, me, Josh, you know, my boy Ty, our favorite wash. So, time to get this boy washed up, and I'm gonna show y'all after. Oh, here, I'm gonna give y'all a little sauce. This ain't me going crazy for real with the sauce, but y'all hip on these ones right here. But if y'all really want y'all car to smell good, bro. All right, that's all y'all can get right there, bro. If y'all really want y'all car to smell good, put that in there. All right, y'all, I got her all shined up. About to show y'all these lights. Y'all can't even see it, but look at the red. Oh my God. Y'all see I got the lights installed. Y'all see everything coming together. Y'all see everything coming together on the car, man. I got more coming. You know, wrap coming soon. I'm gonna tell y'all now, so be ready for this wrap. This wrap is about to be so crazy. I'm more excited for the wrap than what y'all is, bro. Oh my God, this wrap about to be crazy. Just be ready. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.